If you're a homeowner looking for a premium air conditioning system that combines high performance with modern interior design, the Toshiba Haori High Wall R32 split system could be the perfect solution for your space. This isn't just another wall-mounted air conditioning unit, it's a design-led climate solution built for homes where comfort, aesthetics, and energy efficiency matter equally. For homeowners who care about both how their space feels and how it looks, this system offers a level of flexibility rarely found in traditional wall-mounted units. Let's start with what makes it different. The first thing that sets the Toshiba Haori apart is its changeable textile cover system. Unlike traditional wall-mounted units with fixed plastic finishes, this model features removable fabric covers. These covers can be swapped to suit your decor, your brand aesthetic, or even seasonal changes. That means your air conditioning system no longer has to stand out for the wrong reasons. Instead of being a necessary eyesore, it becomes part of your interior design. Whether you prefer neutral tones like light or dark grey or something more distinctive, the Haori allows the unit to blend seamlessly into the room or make a design statement. For modern living rooms, bedrooms, apartments, and high-spec residential projects, that level of aesthetic control makes a real difference. But the Haori is not just about looks. In terms of efficiency, this unit delivers A++ energy performance in both cooling and heating, making it one of the most efficient wall-mounted systems in its class. It uses R32 refrigerant, which has a lower environmental impact compared to older refrigerants and helps improve overall system efficiency. With rising energy costs, choosing a highly efficient system isn't just environmentally responsible, it's financially smart in the long term. Quiet operation is another major advantage. The indoor unit operates at noise levels as low as 19 decibels. That's whisper quiet, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any space where low sound levels are essential. When it comes to smart technology, the Haori is fully equipped. Built-in Wi-Fi comes as standard, allowing control via the Toshiba Home AC Control app. You can adjust temperature, modes, and schedules remotely from your smartphone. Whether you're arriving home from work or managing energy usage while away, you stay in complete control of your indoor comfort. It is also compatible with voice assistants such as Google Home and Amazon Alexa, giving you hands-free control and integration into smart home systems. Energy monitoring functionality allows users to track usage and better manage running costs. Features like Eco Mode, Power Select, and High Power Mode provide flexibility depending on comfort needs and energy priorities. Air quality is another key strength of this system. The Haori includes an ultra-pure filter capable of capturing a high percentage of airborne particles, improving indoor air quality. In addition, the built-in plasma ionizer helps neutralize contaminants in the air, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment. For households focused on creating a healthier indoor space, especially in bedrooms and family areas, this added filtration provides valuable peace of mind. Toshiba's magic coil coating is applied to the heat exchanger, helping prevent dirt and moisture buildup. This keeps the internal components cleaner for longer, maintains efficiency, and reduces maintenance requirements over time. That means better long-term performance and protection for your investment. From a performance perspective, the Haori offers powerful heating and cooling with consistent airflow and temperature stability. It's designed to deliver reliable comfort all year round while maintaining low energy consumption. However, even the most advanced air conditioning system will only perform at its best when it is installed correctly. Proper sizing, positioning, and professional installation are essential to ensure efficiency, reliability, and long-term durability. That's where Lancashire Air Conditioning plays a crucial role. With expert system sizing, professional installation standards, and full compliance with UK regulations, Lancashire Air Conditioning ensures your Toshiba Haori performs exactly as designed from day one. Professional installation helps prevent airflow issues, drainage problems, unnecessary noise, and efficiency loss, while also protecting manufacturer warranty coverage. Overall, the Toshiba Haori High Wall system represents a premium solution for homeowners and property developers looking for a high-end air conditioning system that doesn't compromise on design, efficiency, or features. When supplied and professionally installed by Lancashire Air Conditioning, it becomes more than just an appliance. It becomes a long-term upgrade to your home's comfort and value. If you're considering upgrading your system or installing air conditioning in a new space, now is the time to invest in a solution that combines design, efficiency, and performance in one complete package. Contact Lancashire Air Conditioning today for expert advice, accurate sizing, and professional installation of the Toshiba Haori. Subscribe for more product reviews, installation insights, and expert guidance on the latest in climate control technology.